Hey y'all, my name is Happy Black Legends, and today we're going to be making some taquitos. So I have some beans, and then I have my corn tortillas, and then I have my daiya cheese. You don't need to use vegan cheese, honestly, that's what makes this dish so expensive. Otherwise, the rest of the ingredients are really cheap, and then you can use whatever veggies you want. That poultry seasoning, it is vegan. Oh my god, I almost bought ゚Very from Target and it had sugar in it, and I'm so happy I checked. But basically, first of all, you're going to start off by cutting up your onions, and then I'm putting all of my waste in a compost pile. I'm going to be starting a compost bin. I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to freeze the waste so that way it doesn't stink and I can save it for later when I have more time, because like I said, I haven't started. So first you're gonna spray or use oil, whatever, or butter, whatever you do, and then you're gonna grill your veggie. I wanted to give you guys some nice ASMR there, and I'm just laughing because I really put my whole hand in a hot pan. Like, I don't know why I did that. Please don't do that. But as you can see, I threw my beans up in there. We got the limon. Nutritional yeast has a natural cheese flavor, and it's also full of nutrients, which is why I said you don't really need to buy vegan cheese. And then what you're going to do is microwave your tortillas so that they get soft. Here I am just assembling my taquitos. So yeah, I made mine kind of big, unfortunately, and then I threw the vegan cheese on top, extra limon, and then some salsa verde. And then you can throw it in the oven. I did it at 450 for about 15 minutes, but you can also do like 400 for 25 minutes if you'd like, but I wanted mine to be crispy so that I can have some texture. You can also put like corn, maybe throw some cabbage on top for some extra texture if you'd like. Yeah, so I'm just a huge fucking dork. I was burning my mouth because it was really hot, but it was really, really good. I've been enjoying cooking lately, and so I just think it's fun to share some vegan food ideas with you guys if you'd like. Let me know if you guys like this content down below. I'd love to hear. As always, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Alrighty, y'all. Bye.